Duplicate the surface you want to add a hole to, and right-click to cancel the transformation. Disable the visibility of the duplicate. Select some faces and make them circular with Loop Tool's Circle. Inset and extrude to create a hole with some boundary protection loops. Using a matte cap, it's clear that the surface around the hole is quite lumpy. Increase the selection to include the entire hole, then make a new vertex group. The inside of the hole should have a weight of 0, the rest a weight of 1. Add a shrink wrap modifier with the duplicate as its target, and use the vertex group to exclude the hole. Apply visual geometry to mesh, then add a decimate modifier set to unsubdivided. Increase the iterations to an even number and apply the modifier. This method is useful for adding circular holes to curved surfaces.